Hello students, now let's see a new poem, What If? It is written by Shel Silverstein. Okay, so here in this poem, and the name of the poem is What If? So the poet expresses some of his fear through this poem. So in the whole of the poem, we can see some fears of poet in the poem. The poem is explained through a situation wherein the poet is laying on his bed and talking and thinking all night. So the poet was laying on his bed and he was thinking throughout the night about his fear. There are some what if questions which keep on cropping up into his mind and keep him awakened all night. So all night he was continuously thinking about some questions, about some fears which are there in his mind. Okay, now let's read the poem. Last night, while I lay thinking here, some what ifs growl inside my ear. So he was laying on the bed and he was thinking about some what ifs growls inside my ears, means some what if questions arose in his mind. So growled means slowly moved. So in his mind there were some questions. Growling means there were some questions arose in his mind, and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. So all these questions, they are dancing, they are partying in my mind all night. So he told that. So throughout the night he has thinking about all the questions, all the fear of his mind, and these questions were aroused and was dancing and partying all around the night. And these questions are what if questions. Now these are the questions. What if I dumped in school? What if they have closed the swimming pool? So this is the fear of poet. So what if I dump in school? So what happen if I does not give answer in school? So this is his fear. And what if the authorities close the swimming pool of school? Okay, so these are the fear of his mind. What if I get beat up? And what if there is poison in my cup? So if what happen if he gets beat up? And what happen if there is a poison in his cup? What if I start to cry? And what if I get sick and die? What happen if he start to crying? And what happen if he get sick and die? જો એ મરી જાય અથવા તો sick થાય તો શું? What if I flunk that test? Flunk means fail. What if I fail in the test? What if green hair grows on my chest? And what happen if there is green hairs were grown on his chest? એના chest ઉપર green hair grow થાય તો શું થાય? What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? So જો એને કોઈ પણ લાઈક નહીં કરે અથવા તો એના ઉપર કોઈક વીજળી આવીને સ્ટ્રાઇક કરે તો શું થાય? So what if I don't grow taller? જો હું નાનો જ રહી જાઉં, grow taller નહીં થાઉં, લાંબો નહીં થાઉં, grow up નહીં થાઉં તો શું થાય? What if my head starts getting smaller? Okay, so એનું head જે છે એ smaller થાય તો શું થાય? What if the fish want to bite? What if the fish does not want the bite of the food? These are all his fears which he think at night time. What if the wind tears up my kite? So kite ne ફાડી નાખે wind તો શું થાય? So what if they start a war? So all the countries started or war. So what happened? What if my parents get divorced, and what if the bus is late? So these are also fear of his mind, that what happen if his parents get divorced, and what happen the bus is late, the school bus is late. What if my teeth don't grow in straight, and what if I tear my pants? So what happen if his teeth grows not in straight condition માં નહીં ને વાંકા ચોકા ઉગે તો શું થાય? Okay, so these are also fears of our poet. And what if he tears his pant, એના પેન્ટને ફાડી નાખે તો શું થાય? What if I never learn to dance? And last, that is his last fear, that what if I never learn to dance? હું ડાન્સ નહીં શીખું તો શું થાય? So everything seems swell, and then the night time what if strikes again. So everything is going smooth at daytime, but when night fall, all the questions of what if arose in his mind again and again. So at the night time, the fear of a poet's mind was there, and he thoughts again and again about his fear. And because of his fear, he thought throughout the night, and then he does not sleep. Okay, so this is the poem written by Silverstein. Okay, this is the end of the poem. Hope you enjoy the poem. Okay, students, we'll stop here. Take care, students.